Back so soon?
Hey, long time no see.
Do I know you?
To an extent, we've crossed paths before. That's as much as I can tell you.
Did you follow me home?
Don't be silly, Jody. I just happened to see you here. I can't help when a pretty girl like yourself is just strutting around like that.
How'd you know my name?
You ask an awful lot of questions. I suppose it was rude for me to notice your name tag right there. But hey, if you want to be fair, I'm Joe. You know, like average Joe. You get the point. Okay, well, if you're not busy or anything, I'd love to take you out for a drive.
I'm not going anywhere with you. I barely even know you.
I wasn't asking. Now, I'm not a bad man, Jody, but I am stubborn. And I'm not gonna leave until I get what I want.
Just go away.
I wasn't gonna force you to do anything. Hell, I don't even want to hurt you.
Don't make me call the cops.
You don't want to disappoint me, Jojo. I'm just gonna keep coming back. Again, and again, and again. I'm sure your mother wouldn't mind my visit, huh?